Alright guys, I'm going to do a review of this Maison Perrier Forever Raspberry. This was at Costco, one of their flavor packs, and there's the ingredients. If you guys want to read it, pause the video. We'll do a quick taste test. Okay, so bubbly has a raspberry flavor, and this is... Okay, it has the aroma of raspberry, but it's not that strong. It's a very subtle aroma, and it's not really that carbonated compared to what you find in bubbly. But it has, like I said, it's a subtle aroma, but it's there. You can taste it. So, alright guys, see you in more videos and subscribe to the channel.